Welcome to CADmarC World. CADmarC Software, an ISO-certified organization incorporated in 1999, is a specialist engineering company with 15 crores revenue serving 700 customers with energetic certified team. Our mission and vision statement clearly emphasize by providing latest engineering software technologies to customers to build disruptive solutions for betterment of human life by being good stewards of the resources. With 20 years of rich experience, we implement software and hardware solutions along with our core services of CAD consulting, professional software training and 3D printing services. CADmarC has emerged as one of the most promising engineering company in India and ready to deliver quality services to our clients. Let's have a look at solutions. CADmarC partnered with global leaders to sell, support and service their solutions to drive customer innovation. We represent Autodesk for drafting and design software like AutoCAD, Inventor and Revit. As a Dassault Systems Platinum partner, we address areas of product design, styling, systems engineering, PLM solutions and realistic simulation. Accelerate performance and increase design productivity in 3D environment through 2D and 3D mouse from 3D connection. Wide range of 3D printing solutions from MakerBot, a Stratasys company using fused deposition modeling. Finally, ExtraCAD, a product developed by CADmarC, help in inspection report automation and ballooning software for AutoCAD and Inventor quickly and accurately. Our esteemed customers are our guiding force. Their valuable feedback helped us to make measurable improvements in our service. CADmarC currently implemented our solutions in various verticals like government, aerospace, automobile, life science and academia. Our motto is to drive customer delight and grow with our esteemed customers. CADmarC is happy to serve customers if provided with an opportunity. Come and explore our CADmarC world.